This is a heavy one. I guess it's written somewhere 65 kilograms. Yeah, this one is heavy. It's compact, but heavy. All right, welcome back to BK42. Today, I will be unboxing and assembling something completely different from what I've been doing. It's a three-wheeler scooter from the OOTD, the T30. I'm really curious about this thing because it looks completely crazy. It's massive. So let's stop talking and put this thing together. Yeah, it comes really well packed, safe inside. Check this out, there is a kind of second box, which is really good. It's really safe inside. The battery charger, one of them. Well, I'm not sure I can pull it up. It looks massive, it is huge. I don't know if I can do it alone. Okay. Oh, the NFC cards. There are some spare parts. I'm not sure what they are used for yet. The two fenders, the front and the rear fender. Let's keep it aside for now. Another charger. It looks good. Made out of aluminum with some cooling system. Extra zip ties. Maybe we're gonna need it. Let's see. Tools. Always important to get tools. I like it. The user manual. Compact one with a lot of information. The kickstand. At least part of the kickstand, I guess. Whoa. Okay. So to unfold it, we need to remove the safe pin here, the locking pin. Then release the mechanism from inside. Somehow it is here. Okay. Insert it back. So it is safe, locked. It is standing without a kickstand. That's the good thing of having three wheels.
There are just a few things to assemble. Let's start by removing the stem cap screws. Make sure the cables aren't twisted. Carefully place the handlebar onto the stem and tighten the 4 screws back in place. Don't forget to remove the small wooden spacer from the rear wheels. To install the kickstand, remove the top bolts and loosen the screws on the bottom. Slide it onto the kickstand support and tighten all 4 screws securely. Next, remove all 6 screws from both rear wheels, on both the outside and inside parts. Carefully insert the aluminum fenders and retighten the screws. Test the system, and that's it. Assembly is complete.
Let's check this out.